Lost your iPhone? Don't panic. It's a stressful situation, but there are steps you can take right now to safeguard your personal information and improve the chances of getting your device back. Here's what you need to do immediately to protect your data and increase your chances of recovery. First things first, stay calm and act quickly. Use Find My iPhone to track it. This feature is a lifesaver in such situations. On another Apple device or a computer, head over to iCloud.com/find or use the Find My app. This will allow you to locate your iPhone on a map. Log in with your Apple ID and you'll see your iPhone's last known location. This is crucial information that can help you or the authorities track it down. This is your starting point. From here, you can take further actions to secure your device. Next, mark it as lost. This is an essential step in protecting your data. In Find My iPhone, select your device and enable Mark as Lost. This will lock your phone remotely. This locks your phone, disables Apple Pay, and displays a custom message with your contact info. You can provide a phone number or email where you can be reached. It's like a digital SOS. Now let's move on to the next step. Report the theft to the authorities. This is important for both legal and insurance purposes. File a police report with details like the serial number and IMEI. These details can help the police in their investigation. You can find these in Settings, General, About, or on the original box. Make sure to provide as much information as possible. Some carriers require this report if you have theft protection. Speaking of carriers, contact yours right away. They can assist in suspending your service. Call them to suspend service or blacklist the IMEI to prevent unauthorized use. This will make the phone unusable on most networks. They might also have insurance options if you're covered for theft. Next up, secure your accounts. This is a critical step to prevent further damage. Change your Apple ID password to prevent unauthorized access. This will help protect your personal information stored in iCloud. Remove your cards from Apple Pay via iCloud. This ensures that no one can make purchases using your Apple Pay. And don't forget to update passwords for banking, social media, and email apps. This will help secure your other accounts linked to your iPhone. If you believe your iPhone is gone for good, consider erasing it remotely. This will delete all your data from the device. Use Find My iPhone to erase this device, protecting your data. But remember, erasing the device removes it from Find My iPhone, making it untrackable. So weigh this decision carefully. Also, beware of scams. Thieves might try to trick you into giving away your credentials. If you get suspicious emails or texts claiming to be from Apple asking for your credentials, don't click on links or provide info. Always verify the source. Apple will never ask for your password through email or text. Finally, let's talk about insurance. Think about insurance or replacement options. This can save you a lot of trouble and money. If you have AppleCare Plus with theft and loss, file a claim through Apple. They can help you get a replacement device. Check if your carrier or home insurance covers stolen devices. This might be an option you haven't considered. So, there you have it. Following these steps can make a huge difference. Taking these steps immediately can help protect your data and increase your chances of recovering your iPhone. Stay safe and tech savvy.